Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you guys the new industrial injection C15 reman injectors. Check these out. Okay, if you guys know anything about industrial injection, you know that they know about their injectors. So let me tell you about the C15 injector. This right here is what they call the new blue line. It's their blue line injector, and the reason why they call it that is because they have tightened up their tolerances more than the OEM injector. I know that the OEM injectors are all over the board, and with the new blue line, there is a standard from industrial injection that they stick with. It cannot go outside the lines. This is a better built injector, better balanced, better solenoids. Everything about it is better than the OEM. So when you guys get one of these, you're gonna be reassured that when you drop this in your C15, that you'll be able to fire this truck up and drive it a million miles. The nice thing about this injector, it comes with a 2-year warranty. The injectors come with a new hold down bolt and new O-rings on this for easy installation. Each solenoid is tested for perfection to make sure on install, this thing's gonna fire up and run right. Think of it like this. This is the heartbeat of each cylinder. This applies the fuel to the cylinder so it'll run correctly. If there's anything off in here, it won't run correctly. Industrial injection ensures you that they have been through this with hands here in America, in Salt Lake City, that have touched every piece and part of this thing to make sure that when you put it in your truck, wherever you're at, that it's gonna fire up and run. My good friend Cody that runs the pump shop over there, he lives for this. This is what he thinks about every day. He wants to know everything about them. They have to go through so many different avenues to test and bench flow this and balance this injector. So believe me, when you guys get this, it shows up in this beautiful box that actually they care about. You will get this injector, put it in your truck and drive away and never look back. Industrial Injection is the leading reman facility in the world. So if you guys are looking for a good injector that you want to know that when you put it in your rig, it's going to run, go to industrialinjection.com and get you some today.